He wanted to give her everything, flowers, presents, and most of all, a wedding ring. He saw a sign for a stock car race, $1,000 prize at rent. He couldn't get a Laura on the phone, so to her mother, Tommy said, "Tell Laura I love her. Tell Laura I need her. Tell Laura I maybe I've something to do that cannot wait." He drove his car to the racing ground. He was the youngest driver. The crowd roared as they started the race. Around the track they drove at a deadly pace. I know what happened that day. All these cars were turned to flame. But as they pulled him from the twisted rack, with his dying breath, they heard him say, "Tell Laura I love her. Tell Laura I need her. Tell Laura not to cry. My love for her will never die." Now in the chapel while Laura prayed for her Tommy who passed away, it was just for life. He lived and died alone in the chapel. You can hear him cry, "Tell Laura I love her. Tell